Hood ornaments. They have always been a great symbol of luxury, quality, and individualism. The Swan is a classic item and symbol, but we have now developed some upgrades to make it shine and glow. We've developed an LED base in 9 different colors that simply slides through the mounting bolts using the existing bolt pattern of 2.5 inches. This feature adds a subtle glow, personal touch, and the base comes with all the necessary hardware for easy installation. So if quality parts matter to you, please visit us at grandgeneral.com.